In this video we're taking an honest look at the Chime Credit Builder card, a secured credit card designed to help you safely build or rebuild your credit score. It's not a traditional credit card. Instead, you use your own money to set your spending limit, and Chime reports your payments to all three major credit bureaus. One of the best parts is that there's no annual fee, no interest, and no credit check to apply. You'll need a Chime checking account with direct deposits, and once that's set, you can move money into your credit builder account to start spending. The safer credit building feature automatically pays your balance from your funds, helping you avoid late payments, a huge plus for your credit history. However, this card has some limits. There are no rewards, bonuses, or upgrades to an unsecured card later. You must preload money before spending, and it only works with a Chime account. It's not ideal for people who want high credit limits or perks, but it's great if your main goal is simply to build a strong payment history safely. Overall, the Chime Credit Builder card is one of the easiest and safest ways to grow your credit. No interest, no stress, and no risk of debt spirals. Perfect for beginners or those rebuilding credit. If you found this review helpful, make sure to subscribe for more honest fintech breakdowns.